Have you ever paused to ponder the magnitude of artificial intelligence's impact on our daily lives? Or how it's reshaping the very fabric of our existence? As we continue to untangle the web of AI's influence, stay connected with us. Subscribe to AI Newsflash and hit that like button to stay updated on all things AI. Don't miss a beat in this ever-evolving realm of technology. Today, we delve into the heart of a groundbreaking AI development that has revolutionized the world of science and medicine, DeepMind's AlphaFold. AlphaFold, a remarkable product of AI innovation, has cracked a puzzle that baffled scientists for half a century: the protein folding problem. Proteins are the building blocks of life, vital to our understanding of biological functions. The protein folding problem is about predicting the intricate three-dimensional shape of a protein from its amino acid sequence. This shape is the key to comprehending its function, and until now it was like trying to complete a jigsaw puzzle without the picture. AlphaFold has changed the game. It predicts protein structures with a precision that is almost atomic. Imagine this. Before AlphaFold, we knew about 17% of human protein structures, but now we have knowledge about 98.5% of the human proteome. It's akin to having a map after wandering in the wilderness. The technology behind AlphaFold is as fascinating as its achievement. It was trained on publicly accessible datasets like the Protein Databank and UniProt. The engine that drives it is a transformer neural network architecture known as invariant point attention. It's a testament to the power of AI and its capacity to solve complex scientific problems. So, what does this mean for us? The implications of AlphaFold's achievement are massive. It holds the promise of significant breakthroughs in medicine, research, and bioengineering. It could lead to faster and more effective drug discovery, improved understanding of diseases, and the development of new treatments. To summarize, we've explored the concept of DeepMind's AlphaFold and its monumental significance. We've unraveled how it solved the protein folding problem, the technology that powers it, and the potential implications it holds for the future. The world of AI is evolving at a blistering pace, and AlphaFold is a shining beacon of its potential to transform our world. So, the next time you ponder about the impact of AI, remember AlphaFold. Remember how it solved a 50-year-old scientific puzzle and opened up new frontiers in science and medicine. AI is not just about smart devices or autonomous cars. It's about reshaping our understanding of life itself. The future is here, and it's pulsating with the rhythm of artificial intelligence.